All right, this is a sports camera, 1080p. It's got Wi-Fi and also H.264 codec. It has a 120-degree wide-angle lens and also supports loop recording, and that supports up to 256 gigabytes of storage space. Also, this thing is really, really tiny. It comes in black or white. This one right here is the white version. And here it is, a 1080p camera. So you can see over on the side, you have a spot to pop this out. It has a 128 gigabyte memory card installed already, and a reset button right there, as well as USB-C for charging. The camera body itself is pretty simple. You have one button up here, you have a spot for your lanyard, and the camera up here to take videos. So you can power this thing on. It has little haptic feedback vibration, so you know when it's on, and then you hit it again to do recording. It comes with the USB-C charging cable. It comes with a clip. You can pop this thing on like so, and then you can wear this thing wherever you need to wear it, or clip it on like a belt or something, and then it rotates around if you need to get a better shot. It also includes the medallion that you could wear around your neck and then like maybe under your shirt, and then this will go on top of it, just magnetically holding in place. Or if you want a different shot, you can move that around. It's actually a really, really nice magnetic pendant and really strong magnetic connection. They also include a smaller USB-C to USB-C, so you can access your files that way, or you can put your TF card into this memory adapter right there to plug in and access your files. And also here's a little hand strap, or whatever you want to do, if you want to pop this thing on there, if you wanted to just kind of casually have it on. So all in all, this is what the footage looks like. And I mean, look how small it is. It's really small, very it's hardly noticeable, so it works great. You can also connect this thing to the app, and with the app you can connect it via Wi-Fi, and you can take pictures. You can also change any resolutions or settings. But all in all, it's a cool little device, and it looks nice. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.